Hello and welcome everyone. Continuing from last week, this week we'll also focus on Rajmohan's wife as a negotiation between Western form of novel and how it was indigenized, highlighting the evolution of Indian English writings, Indian English novel itself. Very interestingly, Bankim never wrote another English novel, and it was his first novel. Not many people know about this. So, through characters like Matangini, Madhav, and Mathur, we look at negotiation between tradition and modernity, critical commentary on reformist ideals and nationalistic inspirations. We also look at the idea of the domestic itself and how the domestic gets transformed into a very complex and complicated site. We also look at the form of the novel and how many indigenous forms like kavyas and others have a bearing on the creation of the Indian English novel itself. We also look at the changing roles thanks to colonial modernity and 19th century Bengal, which has a repercussion on later novelists as well as writings both from the bhashas as well as Indian writing in